Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a clean image so the extractor can read characters. Use steady lighting and aim for 300 dpi or higher. This reduces OCR errors. Once done, crop tightly to the text region and save as PNG or high-quality JPEG to preserve detail. Make sure to avoid skew larger than about 15 degrees and remove reflections. These steps speed processing and improve accuracy because OCR depends on contrast and resolution rather than complex post-processing. You now run OCR to extract characters, using either a cloud API for ease or a local engine like Tesseract for privacy. Before OCR, preprocess the crop. Convert to grayscale, boost contrast, denoise, and deskew. This reduces misreads. Once OCR returns text, parse it with name-aware rules. Apply rejects for capitalization and probable name patterns, filter by a confidence threshold, for example 80%, and prioritize multi-token matches. This step transforms raw text. You finish by verifying the candidate name before delivering it. Cross-check against known lists or use fuzzy matching to handle OCR variants, then provide the name with its confidence percentage and show the cropped image so you can inspect it. If confidence is low, reprocess with stronger denoising or a different OCR model, or recapture the photo with improved lighting. One key troubleshooting tip: if results still fail, rotate and rescan at higher resolution to fix hidden skew or tiny font issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.